with more. Keisha.
Mike, this study, though a little soggy now, shows the most popular procedures that Medicare patients receive. Now, it also shows the difference you can pay if you choose to have that procedure done here at OU Med versus any other hospital across the state or the nation.
That it was about time. Thank goodness they finally did something like this to allow the average consumer the ability to do some research before they go to the doctor.
No two hospitals are alike, I guess. They all have different policies, different ways that they determine their prices.
This report from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services makes that very clear. For example, treatment for simple pneumonia at Integra Southwest Medical in the Metro will charge Medicare a little more than $9,000. For OU Med, almost $13,000. But for Oklahoma Heart Hospital, half that, under $6,000. So why the giant price difference? There were a number of reasons and differences in opinions.
Some hospitals have higher prices because they have more patients without insurance. They have to kind of pass the cost of that on to patients that do have insurance.
Facilities have continued to increase their costs so that they can then demand more from the health insurance companies.
The Oklahoma Hospital Association says hospitals create their own pricing policies. Consumer advocate attorney Joe Carson says these pricing decisions raise health insurance costs and hurt the poor and uninsured. He says reports like this will help consumers by increasing the competition among hospitals.
It will allow consumers to demand that these facilities and doctors start charging a reasonable fee for the services they provide.
OHA says if you want a better price, simply ask the hospital.
Hospitals will usually work with the patient who's not able to afford that all at once to set up payment plans or sometimes to negotiate a discount.
Carson agrees. He recommends contacting the hospital before the procedure.
You would be surprised what you can find out if you ask what they're charging beforehand. You can get the same services a mile down the road for half the price.
Now, Oklahoma has had a list of hospital prices for all patients, not just Medicare, for the past 6 years. To check it out, visit our website. It's posted at okcfox.com. Reporting live in Northeast Oklahoma City, Keisha Henry, Fox 25 News.
All right, coming up later.